In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Bedrock on MetaQuest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Bedrock version or Bedrock Edition in VR is actually easier than playing Java. All that you have to do to set it up is to create a specific shortcut and ensure that you have Steam VR, the Oculus app, and that you use QuestLink. So first, let's start with the shortcut. What you have to do is create a shortcut that is going to essentially open Minecraft in VR. So you can go over to any folder where you would like to have this shortcut. So go to a specific folder or even your desktop where you would like to have the shortcut, right click, hover over new, and then new shortcut. Now what you have to do is type this exact code that you can see here. So this is what the code looks like. If you want to copy this code, just look for Minecraft Bedrock Edition in virtual reality on Google and access the official website so you can copy it. Next, you can give it any name that you wish, such as Minecraft VR or Minecraft MetaQuest, whatever. And once this shortcut has been created, you don't need to open it up right now. The next thing to do, like I said, is to ensure that Steam VR is installed and good to go alongside the Oculus app. It should be running on the background, and you will have to connect your MetaQuest headset to your PC. This will usually be done with a cable, but you might be able to use AirLink as well if you want to do it wirelessly. Now, all that you have to do to actually play is to use QuestLink. So you launch QuestLink, you go into your desktop, and you find the shortcut that you created. So you open that shortcut while running QuestLink, and immediately upon doing so, you will load into virtual reality mode. Now sadly, I do not have a MetaQuest 3 to record gameplay for this video, but it's as simple as running that shortcut, and you will be able to get this done to play Minecraft in virtual reality. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Bedrock on MetaQuest 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.